Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today for a really quick and easy little snack. Yeah, we're just doing a little snack today. I'm only making this sometimes because I do a lot of cooking, I end up buying a big bag of something, only using a little bit of it, and then you sort of got to use up the rest of it, and sometimes you run out of ideas. Well, case in point here, I've got a big bag of peanuts. I used some of them for another recipe, but I've got 2 cups there left over. And yeah, of course you can just eat them like that, and that's fine, but I thought I'd do something a little bit different just to use them up. And very simple. I'm just going to do some honey-coated roast peanuts. What I've got here is a 1/4 cup of sugar. They're being honey roasted. I've got some honey here. I want a couple of tablespoons. 1, 2, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, just a little bit of salt, pinch or 2. And I've got here a couple of tablespoons of melted butter. And last is I've just got a little bit of vanilla extract. Just going to put in a couple of drops of that, like so. Mix that up. Alright, so that's pretty well mixed up. I'll get my 2 cups of peanuts, and they're, as you can see, unshelled, and they're just raw. You can use roasted peanuts, no problem. Mix them through that mixture. Try and coating, obviously, all the peanuts. Alrighty, so as you can see, I've just got a baking tray, a flat sort of, baking tray. I've got some baking paper on there. I've got my peanuts now coated. And we're just going to spread them out over that tray. And we're just going to spread them out as best we can to a single layer. Right, once they're spread out, I've just got the oven preheating to 160 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to put them in the oven for probably around 20-25 minutes. Alrighty guys, so that's been in the oven for about 10 minutes, probably no, about 15 minutes. So it's going to cook a bit longer yet, but what I'm going to do is just give it a bit of a stir around. And just back in for another 10 minutes or so. Alrighty, as you saw, I've pulled my honey roasted nuts out of the oven. Now just as those have started to cool, I've decided to give them a bit of a another little stir up, which I've just done. They're looking really good. Alright, let's get them totally cool. Okay guys, now once they've cooled down to room temperature, I'm just going to, yeah, just sort of flip them up a bit, break them up a bit. And I'm just going to put them in my bowl. Some of these I'm going to put in a jar. Alrighty, time to taste these little beauties. They're, yeah, looking good. I don't know if we'll be able to see any up close. Let's have a look. So you can see they're kind of, yeah, like a toffee coating. Yummy goodness. Let's taste it. Yummo. And yeah, just what I was feeling like. Sweet, salty, a little bit of that spice coming through. Very, very nice. And I'm really, really glad I used the raw peanuts, because those peanuts there are just roasted to perfection. They're just right. I suspect if I had started with the pre-roasted nuts, they might have been overcooked, so that was a win. Alrighty, thanks for watching this short one. Thanks for everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I ask you to hit that subscription button? Doesn't cost you anything. No obligations, nothing happens, but just helps out my channel. Alright, I'll see you all next time.